Multiplying binomials. A plus b to the third power also looks like this. We're going to start with the first two sections of our problem, and we're going to use the FOIL method. First, inner, outer, last. So, let's say we have A plus B times A plus B. We're going to multiply the first letters, or variables. A squared. A times A is A squared. Let's multiply the outer letters, or variables, which is plus, bring down your plus, A times B. And now we're going to do our inner variables. Plus B times A. Now let's do our last variables, which is B times B, which is B squared. And like any problem, we want to combine our like terms. Our like terms, even though they're different looking, they have the same letters or variables. A, B, and BA. So how many ABs or BAs do you see? Two of them. So we're going to multiply it by 2. 2AB. And we're going to fill in the rest. Now this is the way that you complete the FOIL method when multiplying binomials. But now we have another one. So let's go to our other board and write down what we have. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. I wrote it back down. That's all I did. Now what I'm going to do is multiply the third section. And I'm going to put it up and down like a regular multiplication problem. Now I'm going to multiply both of those numbers by the top. So now I'm going to do A times A squared. Which is A to the third, because there's 3 A's. Now I have to do A times 2AB. Right here. That is 2 times A, which is A what? A squared. So plus 2, since there's 2 A's in there, A squared. B. Plus, now I have to give my A to my last part, which is B to the second power, or B squared. So then it's A, B squared, because I multiplied A times B squared. So that's my other part. Now, just like a regular problem, we're going to have to multiply the back part. So let's multiply the back part. B times A squared first will give us A squared B because I did B times A squared. I put the B there. Now I need to do B times 2AB. So you will have your plus sign 2AB squared. And then I need to do B times 2 to the second power, or B times B squared. Okay, and that's B to the third power. Okay, awesome. So we've gotten the first part. Now we want to combine like terms. Let's combine our like terms here. A squared B is something that is like. So what do you see that's the same? I see 2a squared b, because that looks like something, and a squared b. You can also put an imaginary 1 in front of it. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3a squared b. Also, we have some more like terms. ab squared. Again, you can put your imaginary 1 in front of your number or your variables. So now you can add these two up, which will be what? 3ab squared. Now we have no more like terms. So you can just add the rest of them down. And your answer should look like this. If it does not, rewind the tape and replay and do the problem again. This is your answer. Call me when you need help. Rewind the tape and replay it. This is for 2 of the questions on your homework. So if you look at that, you will be able to answer both of the questions. Please write this down in your notes and answer the questions so that you'll remember it. Good luck. I'll send you some more of these.